Checking out this new projector from Wilo. Opening it up here, we've got a user guide right off the bat. It's pretty nice. Runs off of power with a 2-prong outlet. Got an HDMI cable, remote control. We've also got a standard aux cable for video games and things like that. I can pull this out of the box. I like that it's just cardboard, no plastic. Just a little bit of styrofoam and the silicone bag. Very nice looking projector. Has its own base, as you can see. It can adjust up and down real easily. Lots of maneuverability there. Looks like we have it connected at the bottom here, so it could probably come out of here. Pretty neat. Lets us know about plugging it in here. Plug it into the outside. We've got USB-C ports here and ports for AV and earphones. Focus here. And we've got this adhesive protector over the lens before we get started. Really looking forward to using this one. This is going to be great for those evenings in the summer. We can project onto the garage door or the back of the building, or just put up a sheet in the yard and hang it from a clothesline. Hope this helps.